Would you believe that this Instagram channel gained over 84 million views on a single 15-second viral video? It's not just one video, 20 million views here, all converting into over 123,000 dedicated followers in record time. But here is the actual secret. 90% of this cinematic mastery is created using nothing but AI. No cameras, no actors. $0 spent, zero design experience. Just a few clicks to create videos that go global. And today, I'm leaking the entire formula. We are breaking the YouTube algorithm to replicate this success. Ready? Let's dive in. Here is the exact step-by-step workflow. Open ChatGPT and follow my cursor. Click on Explore, and then head straight into the GPT's store. In the search bar, type Cozy Horror Generator. This specific tool is our gold mine. Find it and click Start Chat. Right away, hit the Start Generator button. Instantly, the AI hands us 10 highly optimized, viral-ready scene concepts. You don't even have to think. For this breakdown, we're choosing option number 8. Boom, it spits out a custom-engineered image and video prompt. Go ahead and copy that image prompt. Now we have the perfect blueprint. Head over to Google Flow and hit Create with Flow. First, set your workspace. Choose Image Mode. Select the 9:16 ratio and pick the Nano Banana 2 model for that ultra-crisp detail. Paste your prompt and hit Generate. Look at that result. Perfect lighting, haunting atmosphere. Exactly what the cozy horror niche needs to go viral. Now for the real magic, switch your settings to video mode. We're going to use our generated image as the base to keep our scene 100% consistent. Jump back to your GPT, grab that custom video prompt, paste it into Flow and hit Generate. Give it a few seconds, and boom, absolute cinematic gold. High-end motion, realistic textures, and that perfect viral aesthetic, all made with zero cameras.